Hey guys, so I'm gonna be replacing this port. I kind of got it loose already. It's usually just like a plastic nut on the back. Somebody had already taken power from here for the switch on the winch, so that don't matter. What I'm gonna do now with my tester, I have it on the negative of the battery. I'm gonna be testing for power to see if I get power here, because making sure I got power before I replace it. So getting power there, and I should be getting power here. Yep, getting power. So it's gonna be a quick switch, and we'll walk you through the process. Let's remove this. Now that we know it works, we're just gonna have a nice new. I ordered this from Amazon. It was like $7, and I think that thread is kind of gonna be like the same size as this thread for this, so I might be pretty lucky on that side. Might. If not, I think it should come with its own nut. I don't know. We'll find out. All right, let's see. So this is positive. That means this is negative or ground. Let's do a little chop. Let me get the right pliers. I have a mess. Where's my little way? Okay, so goodbye. This is just nothing. All right, got it out. Let's open the new one. Let's see if this is gonna work with. Oh, it comes with its own. Yeah, this will not work. But we'll make this work. Let's see. Yep. Whoop, fits like a glove. All right. These plastic things are so weird. All right, we got it. Alright, so this thing has on the back, it will tell you which one is positive, which one is negative. So now we know this one is positive, this one is negative, this one is positive, this one is negative. All we gotta do is connect the dots. Let's see, this is a fuse. Okay, so we're gonna use this for the positive, and we're gonna have to, I think I have a butt plug just like this one, a little plug. Let's see if I can find it. All right, I'm in luck. I found a couple. All right, so let's check if it fits this. Of course it don't. Awesome. So what I'm gonna end up doing is using this. So we're gonna plug this to the positive and this negative. All right, so with the tester here, you got the 12 volts. We remember we tested the power. I already finished the connection. Negative, positive. It's got a fuse. I will tuck this up nice. I'll show you towards the end and strap it. We're gonna test now if we get power, and we're gonna see if we get power in here. Being careful not to touch the sides. And yep, we got power. So we successfully have yeah, you never want to touch the positive and the negative, which is the walls together, because you'll burn the fuse or you'll burn something. So you got to be very careful with that. But yeah, let me show you after this done. So yeah, this was a successful install. It looks pretty good. It's looking fresh and new. And here's the final. Got nicely wrapped, and I didn't have to use any tie straps. And I left this fuse exposed. It's easy to unplug and check the fuse. And yep, it was pretty simple. Also installed all the clips. I'm only missing one because it's broke, the tap is broke. But other than that, got all new clips and the new AC port.